Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do like, subscribe and click the bell icon.
Hi everyone, I am Sonali Boni, Teachers Trainee of Siliguri B.Ed College. Today I am going to discuss on a methodology of population education, that is integrated approach. Let's start. Population education is a field of study and educational program that aims to increase awareness and understanding of population related issues such as population growth, its causes and consequences, and its impact on various aspects of life. Population education is not just about giving information on birth rate, death rate, or census figures. It is about helping learners develop awareness, attitudes, values, and skills to deal with population related issues in personal, family, and community life. Therefore, the methodology should be learner centered, participatory, and problem solving in nature. Methodology of population education has objectives that are to equip individuals with the knowledge and understanding, foster positive attitudes and behavior, understanding population dynamics, understanding demographic trends and its impact on quality of life, promoting sustainable and responsible practices. There are so many approaches of methodology of population education. That is integration approach, unit approach and separate subject conventional approach, extension approach, co-curricular approach, value clarification approach. Today we are just focused on integration approach. Integration approach is a systematic attempt to incorporate relevant population education ideas and concepts into the existing contents of various subjects taught in schools. This approach integrates population education while teaching different chapters or units of the existing syllabus of different subjects at school level without distorting the curriculum. Now on the next slide, we show how biology and population education are correlated with each other. Population education, when taught through biology, focuses on the scientific study of human population in relation to living organisms, environment, health, and reproduction. Since biology already deals with life process, heredity, reproduction, ecology, and environmental, it provides a strong foundation for understanding population related issues. For human population, biology explains growth, composition, distribution, and interactions with environment. It also deals with birth rate, death rate, fertility, mortality, reproductive health, genetics, and ecological balance. Now, population and mathematics. Population education is not limited in biology. Mathematics plays a vital role because population studies depend heavily on number, data, graphs, and statistical analysis. Mathematics helps learners to interpret and analyze and predict population trends in a logical and quantitative way. In geography, we use bar graphs, line graphs, histograms, and pie charts to show census data, representing population pyramids using geometrical figures. In statistics, using and analyzing data from census, surveys, and community records, calculating mean, median, mode, percentage, and ratios to understand literacy rate, sex ratio, dependency ratio, etc. solving real-life world problems using population data tables, interpreting graphs about birth rate, death rate, migration, and urbanization. Now, social science, how engage population education. Social science deals with human society, culture, economics, politics, geography, and history. Population education, when integrated into social science, helps learners understand the social, economic, culture, and political aspects of population growth and its impact and development. History shows to how population growth or decline shaped civilization. Example, fall of Rome due to epidemics, industrial revolution linked to population growth. Population movements like colonization, slave trade, partition, or refugee crisis change demographic patterns worldwide. On the other hand, population education fits naturally into geography because it deals with population distribution, migration, density, resources, urbanization, and environment. In geography, population is studied as population distribution, population density, migration pattern, urbanization, man-environment relationships. Now comes into economics. Population and economics are deeply connected because population size, growth, and distribution directly affect a country's resources, production, employment, and development. When population education is linked with economics, it helps learners understand the economic consequences of population growth and the role of population in economic development. On conclusion, we must say the methodology of population education should be activity-based, experimental, and participatory. By the combining traditional methods, lectures, discussions with modern approaches like ICT, fieldwork, role play, learners can gain not only knowledge but also the attitudes and skills necessary for making informed and responsible decisions about population related issues. Population education is crucial for promoting awareness, understanding, and responsible behavior related to population dynamics, reproductive health, and sustainable development. It is also a kind of blending the suitable concepts of population education in suitable places of school curriculum, which does not require separate timetable. Extra teachers are not needed. Students are not burdened, whereas children of tender age are forced to have idea about birth control. Young students get excited emotionally. Integrating population education with different school subjects requires extraordinary skills and resourcefulness in which we fall short eventually. Here is my some references. If you have any queries or questions, write down in the comment below. Thanks for watching me.